Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download and install Safari browser in Windows 10 or 11. So just open any browser and you need to search for Safari for Windows. After that, you need to go down and you need to find this option. Here you can see download.it. Here you can see safari.en download.it. So you need to find this link and then you need to click here. So once you click here, you can see Safari and on the right side free download option. So you need to click here and here you can see start download option. So you need to click on start download and there you can see a download started over here. Here you can see safari.exe and there you can see download is complete. So when the download is complete, you just need to double click on this exe file and here it will show you something like this. So I'm going to say here yes and click on next and I accept the agreement, click on next. And here you can see make Safari the default browser. So I'm going to uncheck this. I'll also uncheck these two as well. I'll only keep the first one checked, then click on next. And I'll keep the default location, then click on install. And there you can see it is installing and it's done. So right now here you can see if you just keep this checked and click on finish, it will open the Safari browser over here you can see. So yeah, this is how we can install Safari browser on Windows. I hope this tutorial was useful. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.